ready to take it out, I gotta cut the string.
Yes, because I just sewed the tip down.
Okay.
Definitely. See how we just closing it all up. It's looking real good. We have the brown thread right here, so she'll be able to find her starter point. And a nice dress is coming down beautifully. Isn't she lovely? All right, this is the third bag we're using. We took 2 bags and we put them on the back. Man, it's laying fabulous. Yes. Nice. We'll come around to the sides and we're gonna add some, as you see, the way I checker block the corner where the hair is thinner so that we can fill it in without using the net. All right, so we're gonna come around here. We're gonna do that. We have 36 strands per bag. Gotcha. Because she is fabulous and done. So look at beauty. You want her face? Like, look at beauty. Nice, nice. Looking cute, looking cute. Yeah. Look at it. Don't she look cute, y'all? Oh, yes, give it to her.
Good job, good job.
Yes. Now give me 1 second.